Hey guys, I've got two idiots standing right in front of me, even though I'm here at Svinesfellsjökull. It's a beautiful blue glacier. Let me just turn the camera around. I want to show you what's happening. They're running away now. Look, there he is. So this is unfortunately, this is my business partner Thor, who I run these workshops in Iceland with, but I wanted to share where we are.
Not just a business partner.
Not just a business partner.
No.
He's also my wife.
Yes.
So yeah, here we are. Svinesfellsjökull. Svinesfellsjökull. I just want to show you this because it's so beautiful. Look at the light on the glacier behind me reflecting off the water. There's a bit of sun going on up there in the sky. It's fantastic. We've had a really good few days out here in Iceland. The weather has been playing cat and mouse with us. We've had a lot of rain, we've had a lot of wind. Last night we really had a lot of wind. There were gusts. How hard were the gusts last night, Thor?
There was a gentle breeze on our scale, but it was a gale force on your scale.
A gentle breeze on the Icelandic scale.
70 miles an hour.
70 miles an hour wind.
Yeah.
We were photographing at
Vesterhorn.
Yes. I should know that by now.
Yes.
Yeah. And the sand, it's like sandblasting you, but wow, got some great shots. I'm going to put a link below this video so you can go and have a look at some of the shots we've got whilst we've been out here. There's a few really good ones, despite the fact the weather has been a bit horrid. So let me introduce you to a couple of faces. Hey, Michael.
Hello.
Hey, where are you from?
England.
Good man, good man.
Yes.
A couple of good English chats. You're nice.
Jolly good,
Showing Johnny Foreigner how it's done. So yeah, we got Mike. Thanks, Mike. Mike here. We've got John here.
Hey, how's it going?
Good, from the States.
Yep.
We've got Alan here, also from the States.
Hello.
Hey. And we got Ian.
From New York, not the States.
Ian's not from the States. This one's Ian here. He doesn't want to talk to us. He's too busy shooting. He said he's not from the States. He's from New York.
It's a different place, I promise.
It's a different place. And we got Paul down the end here as well. Hey, Paul. So it's been amazing. Let me just turn the camera around. I want to show you where we are, just to give you a little bit of a overview. And as you can see, even though the sky is grey, look at that light. Look at the colours in this beautiful blue glacier. Got some great sunset shots last night at Vesterhorn, despite the wind. We were having to put things up over our faces to keep the sand out of our mouths. And as I say, I'll post a link below to a gallery where you can see the shots that I've got. I haven't got a huge number because on workshops the priority is to look after these guys, you know, the children. That's right, Ian. To look after the kids. But I just wanted to share this shot with you because it's just been brilliant, and hopefully we'll get a bit more as well. If I get any more, I'll post something to you in a day or two. Meanwhile, I hope you enjoyed me just showing you this place, and I'll catch you next time.